Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp application on your OPPO Pad Air. So if you have your WhatsApp app, but you need the second one for the work, for example, and you need the separated numbers, separated contacts, I'm gonna show you the quick tip for you. Open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Open it, install. And now, how you can see, I have two WhatsApp application. That was the first method. The second one is a little bit more complicated. We have to open the Play Store and look for the Dual Space Hub. Choose one of them. And now you can open it. Tap on the Agree and Continue. Allow permissions and files. And now just tap on the WhatsApp. And whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the second app. That's it. This is how it works. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.